Hello, Miss Charmaine. Miss Charmaine. Hello, good night, Miss Charmaine. Miss Charmaine, this right?
Yeah.
You can't make it to Peter, please.
Who is?
This is Tish, Miss.
Tish.
Yeah. Where's the Miss?
How are you?
Near La Covia.
Peter there, you know?
Eh?
Peter there?
You know, did that Miss Sonny get me pregnant and block my number?
Oh, Tish, how are you?
Near La Covia. You hear me, Miss Charmaine?
Eh?
Hello?
What you say?
How are they? You hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah, me I say from Peter get me pregnant like him block my number, me not know.
I think I business that.
What you say, Miss?
You see, I think I blood clot business
Me
that.
not get to him, me not get to him, and you alone me have now.
Yeah, wait, what?
And you alone me have now, cause me not get to him.
Are we just not there again?
St. Elizabeth me come from, Miss.
It's part of the
Me feel like you go come for me.
Then we have Peter, we support to the mama go away.
Me say,
Come go, Peter, you want Peter, the funny road.
but me not get to him, me not get him phone like me I tell you.
Peter, your blood clot, want Peter, the funny road, and the argument done.
You can put me up please if I'm for one night, cause my parents they run me out.
That's a fee on your fucking business that.
But me not me want someone to stay please, me I beg you, see if the girl father cause me and stay at their house. Please.
Yeah, yes, come on, I'm going to go like your number.
Me Charmaine.
Yeah.
Please me I beg you, please, please.
That's the fucking business that.
Me see me man a cup, my friend father. See me dep on the phone with the woman. Me dey talk to her cause she not listen to me. Hello, good night. Hello, good night.
Good night.
Yeah, Miss Charmaine this.
How you ever from?
Yeah, this is Patrick. The little girl I just talked to, my daughter friend. You hear me, miss?
Your daughter friend?
Yeah, my daughter friend, the girl I tell her say she pregnant, so she say she pregnant for Peter. Peter must tell her, say, you a female mother. A Peter mother this?
Peter mother?
Yeah.
No, sir.
So you and Peter what, mommy?
Me and Peter no nothing.
You and Peter no nothing?
No.
What you mean by you and Peter no nothing?
Which Peter? Come good for me. Come straight.
The Lakova, Peter come from, man.
Which Peter? Tell me after which Peter?
No, you're Peter. She say him tell her, say, you are mother, but she suspects, say, are they on there?
Look, you know.
Where's the mommy?
Look here, who?
You know, say you know everything. You know, say you want wicked woman, Charmaine.
Eh?
Charmaine, you know, say you're wicked. You want wicked woman, you know, Charmaine.
Come straight. Tell me after.
No straight me come. No straight me not tell you.
Yes, one man, come straight. Come straight to me.
But the blood clot you cuss bad after me, for me never cuss none for you. But a rank, you know, man. You know, say you come like you a piss bed.
Yes, now piss to your bed.
You a piss up Peter night time, you know.
Yes.
Me no cuss no bad word. Me no disrespect you. And you what you got on the phone. Yeah, baby girl.
Yes, I blood clot TikTok people they mean Patrick. You don't see any TikTok.
Who is Patch? Look a girl, an informer, you know. He was an informer. I go to she same one. Informer.